Okay, quick favorite, this A-Tech Creations perfume. It's crisp at first, then turns warm and expensive. 2 sprays and I get compliments all night. If you want confidence in a bottle, try it.
Friends, you've just seen this ad and how professionally it was created. The best part is that it was made using just a single prompt. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use these prompts with an amazing AI website to create high-quality ads with ease. These types of AI-generated ads are becoming extremely popular and are going viral across different platforms. Whether you want to create ads for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, you can easily generate professional-looking advertisements. Not only can you use these ads to promote your own business, but you can also offer ad creation as a service. Clients are constantly looking for high-quality AI ads, and you can charge for creating them, start an online business, or promote your own products, brand, or services. If you've seen the ads uploaded on many popular channels, you'll be able to create the same style of ads yourself. In this complete course, I'll introduce you to a powerful AI website and guide you step by step through the entire process from writing prompts to generating stunning AI images and videos. So, let's get started and learn how to create trending AI videos and viral advertisements using just one simple prompt. Higgsfield AI is one of the best AI video creation platforms for creators and marketers. It helps you generate high-quality, cinematic, and viral-ready videos with advanced AI tools. You can create stunning animations, realistic scenes, and engaging content quickly without professional editing skills, making video production faster and easier. Okay, let's start it first. Open Higgsfield. At the top, you'll see options like Claude, ChatGPT, and several other models. You can choose whichever one you want to use. I'll select Claude. After that, click on Higgsfield Auto Login. Now, sign in using the same email address you use for A-Tech. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on Customize. After opening Customize, click on Connectors. In the Connectors section, you'll see Higgsfield with an Add button. Click Add. Then enter any name you like. For example, I'll type A-Tech, but you can use any name. Next, copy the connector link and paste it into the required field. Once you've pasted the link, click Add. After that, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect to link Higgsfield with Claude. You'll also see an Allow button. Make sure you click Allow. This step is important. Later in the video, I'll explain how you can create complete parallel ads using this setup. Now your Higgsfield account is connected. If you want to verify that the connection was successful, click the plus icon. You'll see Higgsfield listed on the side, and it will show as logged in, confirming that it's connected. Next, I'll copy my prompt and paste it. Once I paste it, you'll see the prompt appear. However, all you need to type is use Higgsfield AI. That's it. As soon as you enter that, Higgsfield will automatically generate the image. After a few moments, your image will be ready. You can see that I already created a cream advertisement as an example. Now I'll create another ad to show you the process. But I don't want to promote a cream. I want to promote a pair of shoes with my own logo. What should I do? You can write your own prompts, or if you want, I'll provide my prompts in the video description or comments. Let's create a shoes advertisement. First, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a shoes prompt. I created my prompts myself using ChatGPT. You can create your own prompts as well. Then I'll copy the prompt and paste it here. As soon as I paste the prompt, the image generation starts automatically. After a short wait, the image is ready. The shoes image has been generated, but as you can see, my company name isn't displayed on the shoes yet. That's easy to fix. Simply now I add this prompt. My shoe brand name and company logo, A-Tech, should be clearly visible, sharp, and prominently displayed on the side of the shoes. Use Higgsfield AI. After adding this prompt, the image will be regenerated. Within a few moments, you'll see that the A-Tech logo appears clearly on the shoes. This is how you can easily add your own company logo or brand name to your AI-generated images. As you can see, the image is now ready with the logo. Next, I'll use the same prompt for the video by simply pasting it, and the video generation will begin. Now, let's create a video. To generate a video, simply paste your video prompt. Once you do that, the video generation will begin. It only takes a short time. You can see the final video result. It looks amazing.
Okay, I'm obsessed with these A-Tech designer sneakers. The logo is so clean, and even on this wet street, they feel crazy grippy and comfy.
You can see the final video result. It looks amazing. You can even include people in your ads.
Okay, I'm obsessed.
If you want your logo to appear, simply add this line at the beginning of your prompt, add a Tech Creations logo, clearly visible. This will place your logo in the generated image or video. Now I'll create one more example using a perfume prompt. I'll paste the prompt and add a Tech Creations logo. You can replace a Tech Creations with your own company or brand name. After clicking Generate, Higgsfield starts creating the image. A few moments later, it's finished. As you can see, the image looks great, and my a Tech Creations logo is clearly visible at the top. This is how you can easily create both AI images and AI videos using Higgsfield. The second video has also started generating. Once I enter the video prompt, it will begin creating the final video automatically. If you want to create viral AI ads, this tool is a great choice for you. It helps you generate professional, eye-catching advertisements in just a few minutes. No advanced editing skills are needed. Simply enter your idea, customize the visuals, and create high-quality marketing videos, social media ads, and promotional content quickly and easily.